What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the all-new DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI by this video's sponsor ECOVACS. This is ECOVACS' latest vacuum cleaner, and it is the most advanced vacuum cleaner that they have ever released. After having used it this week, I have to say that the mopping technology on this machine is among the best that I've ever seen. We'll take an in-depth look at the DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that stands out here is definitely the mopping technology. This is among the best mopping technology that I've ever seen. It definitely gives a super deep and thorough clean, and that's thanks to the OZMO Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping Technology. This uses Tenneco's patented constant pressure water renewal technology to keep the mop pad continuously clean. Dual rotating mops do a decent job, but they only clean the mop pad when they return to the base station every 10 to 20 minutes. The OZMO roller system automatically cleans itself constantly, so you never have to worry about this thing dragging debris and mess from one area of your home to another area of your home like you would with a dual spinning mop pad. You can definitely tell the difference in cleaning capabilities with the dual mop pads and the OZMO roller, with the OZMO roller being able to remove everything immediately on the first pass. The OZMO roller scrubs your floor at 200 rotations per minute with 4,000 PA of pressure. This is able to easily move sticky wet messes from your floors. With the instant self-washing system, you don't have to worry about that sticky mess being tracked through your house. Clean water is sprayed onto the mop pad through the 16-hole spray system, which evenly wets the mop for a thorough clean. As the roller cleans itself, it uses this bar to scrub off all dirt and grime from the roller and then sends the dirty water directly to the dirty water tank. To demonstrate this self-cleaning ability here, I did saturate the mop pad with soy sauce, and you can see here that it easily cleans all of that off and sucks all the dirty water back into the dirty water tank on the robot. The X8 Pro OMNI is able to clean all the way to the edge of your walls and furniture, and even can reach into the corners to make sure to clean up those as well. This uses True Edge 2.0 dynamic dual edge cleaning technology. The roller extends to reach the edge and can even hug around furniture legs and other objects. I tested this out with some milk and also some chamoy sauce at the edge of my wall in the kitchen, and this was able to reach the edge and clean up those messes in the first pass with no issues. Another thing that I really like here is that the side brush can reach out and grab all the debris out of the corner. Most other vacuums on the market would just totally avoid or miss the corners because they're not able to reach and grab that area. Here, no corner is left untouched. With 18,000 Pascal of suction power, this is definitely one of the most powerful vacuum cleaners that I've tested. As you can see here, I spread out some Fruity Pebbles on my carpeted area, and this was able to clean everything up with zero issues on the first pass. Also spread out some cereal on my wood floors here, and that 1800 Pascal of suction power was able to easily grab even that larger cereal off the floor. And really, no matter what I threw at this vacuum cleaner, it was easily able to clean it up. I do have a few dogs in the house, which means that I have plenty of hair to deal with. The X8 Pro OMNI comes with Zero Tangle 2.0 technology, which features a 45-degree V-shaped angle bristle design. The V-shaped spiral brush collects hair in the middle of the brush, and then the 18,000 Pascal of suction power removes the hair and it sends it straight to the dustbin. This vacuum cleaner features next-gen navigation and obstacle avoidance. It does have a flat design, so this is going to be able to get under most of your furniture. You won't have to worry about this getting stuck. With the AI-VI 3D all-edge cleaning technology, this is able to precisely clean around the edges of furniture, and if there are any objects that are in the way, this can very easily clean all the way to the edge of those objects, whereas most other vacuum cleaners on the market are going to leave a pretty substantial gap between the robot vacuum and the obstacle. This is able to clean all the way up to the edge of those obstacles. I really like the built-in EcoGPT. One thing about having that next level AI voice assistance built into the robot is you're going to be able to tell it to go to your kitchen or certain areas that you have programmed in the house, whereas if you used another smart assistant, maybe Siri or something like that, you might be able to turn your vacuum cleaner on and off, but you're not going to be able to do specific things. Okay, Eco.
Yes.
Will you please vacuum and mop the kitchen?
Okay, the area will be vacuumed and mopped now.
The all-in-one cleaning station delivers comprehensive sterilization and hassle-free convenience. This has both a dirty water tank and a clean water tank. It cleans the mop pads with hot water, and then when it's finished cleaning the mop pads, it also air dries those with hot air, so you don't have to worry about musty odors over time. It also has an auto empty dustbin, so you don't have to worry about reaching down and cleaning out the dustbin on the actual robotic cleaner. This can also automatically mix in the cleaning solution. With features like the OZMO roller, True Edge 2.0, and 18,000 Pascal of suction power, this vacuum cleaner is definitely going to be hard to beat. If you're looking for a super advanced robotic vacuum cleaner and mop, then the DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI by ECOVACS is definitely a great option. I'll be sure to include links in the description where you can find out more information about the DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI and where you can pick one up for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.